ang masasabi mo sa mga taong nagsasabi na bakit pa tayo nakikialam at nagpoprotesta ng ganito samantalang nandito na tayo sa labas ng bansa at kung tutuusin mo ay sinasabi nilang wala na tayo dapat pakialam sa nangyayari sa bansa. Ayan. What do you say about that?
I think, for me, I speak for myself. I'm always a Filipino. And grabe na talaga yung injustices, the way this government, the Marcos government, has ignored and did nothing to alleviate the plight of the poorest of the poor. Like, we have 18 million Filipinos living below poverty levels. How can he be this greedy that he will plunder the country? He can't even spend the money in his lifetime. I don't understand why. Why the greediness? It's been 4 years since he's been president, and he has nothing to show for. Wala siyang flagship projects. Ang plight ng mga Filipinos is worse than before. Criminality is high. Drugs are back in the streets.
Right.
Like, if we remain silent, and say, oh, we don't live there anymore. We're not, it doesn't affect us. That is just wrong. I think we all have a collective duty to speak up, especially for those who are voiceless. Because the poorest of the poor, they're just they're just trying to live every day. They can't fight for themselves. They don't have a voice. It is
Ano naman ang reaction mo sa sinasabi nila na nakakahiya daw ang nagpoprotesta sa lansangan, nagkakalat daw tayo sa labas ng bansa sa ating pagpapahayag ng ating mga hinaing. Yun ang sinasabi nila ngayon. Parang ang tingin nila sa atin ay nagkakalat dahil sa ating ginagawa ngayon. What can you say about that?
That's the most hypocritical thing that they can say. So ito, kinahihiya nila that we are expressing, exercising our freedom of speech. Ito, kinahihiya nila. Pero yung pagnanakaw, yung mali-maletang ninanakaw nila, yung hinahayaan nilang malunod yung mga tao sa mga baha, at yung mga tao walang medical care, namamatay na lang kahit sa napakasimpleng mga sakit, okay lang sa kanila yon. Yon hindi nakakaya. Pero ito, speaking the truth and exposing the truth, ito ang nakakaya sa kanila. That's very hypocritical. Shame on them.